student. Hello guys, this is senior college mathematics. Topic is algebraic process. Algebraic process. If you are in SS1, SS2, SS3, you are preparing for WAEC, for NECO, GCE, NAPTEP, JAMB, or any other external exams into high school, this topic, this lesson is for you, and you are in the right place. That is PetakusEduCom community. Lesson 3, simple linear equations, part 3. Lesson 3 is continuation of lesson 1 and lesson 2. Examples: find the value of the letter in each of the following equations. Before that, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends, your classmates, your colleagues. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at PetakusEduCom community, where you have access to quality, unlimited, and simplified mathematics teachings in series. Example 17. Solve for s in the equation 3 all over 2 bracket open s minus 2 bracket close minus 2 all over 3 bracket open 2 minus s bracket close equal to 0. In this kind of equations in fractional form, the right hand side is 0. If you are able to separate the equation, the parts of the equation, it makes it easy for you to solve. Separating it means this term that is negative, you take it to the right hand side, since 0 is there, so it's going to change to positive, and that is what I did here. Before now, in lesson 1 and 2, I said you have to clear the fractions in order to solve the equation easily, and when doing that, you multiply each term by the LCM. Now, the result we have here, you can actually clear the fractions by multiplying through by the LCM of the denominator. But problems of this form, the best approach is to cross multiply. You can see my drawing is there. So if you cross multiply, you have this 3 here multiply this denominator, and 2 multiply this denominator, and that is what you have here. You can see that you've cleared the fractions already by cross multiplying. So that is one easy way of doing that. So you multiply 3 times 3, you have 9 into the bracket. 2 times 2, you have 4 into the bracket. Next thing is to open the brackets, and you know when you are opening the bracket, the term that is outside multiply all the terms inside the bracket. So you have 18 minus 9s when 9 open the bracket, and when 4 open the bracket on the right hand side, you have 4s minus 8. Okay, next thing, you collect like terms. This 9s that is negative, you move to go and meet 4, then it changed to positive. You move minus 8 to meet 18, it also changed to positive since the sign attached to it is negative. So if you add, you have 26 equal to 13s. To get s, you have to divide both sides by 13, the coefficient of s, and that gives s equal to 26 over 13, and that is 2. Okay, if you wish to clear the fractions, the LCM is this. So if you use the, as I said before, if you multiply through by this LCM, it will also clear the fractions. Assuming the right hand side is not 0, I would have used that method to proceed with the solution. Even though you use it when it is 0, you still have the same result at the end of the day. Okay, example 18. Solve m over 3 plus 1 over 2 equal to 3 over 4 plus m over 4. Here, the best approach is clearing the fractions with the LCM, and the LCM is 12. LCM of 3, 2, and 4. The denominators is 12. You multiply the first term in the left hand side by 12, the second term by 12, the right hand side you multiply the first term there by 12 and the second term by 12. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times m, you have 4m. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times m is 3m. So this is the result after clearing the fractions. You collect like terms, plus 3 means 4, it becomes minus 3m. Y plus 6 means plus 9, it becomes minus 6. By the time you subtract, you have m equal to 3. Since coefficient of m is already 1, you don't need to divide both sides by 1 or any other number. So m is equal to 3. Okay. Example 19. You have s over 3 plus s over 4 plus 9 over 10 equal to 4s plus 1 all over 5. The LCM is 60. That is the LCM of 3, 4, 10, and 5 is 60. Multiply each term by the LCM to clear the fractions, and that is the step that you have here. Okay. After clearing the fractions, you have 20s plus 15s plus 54 equal to, if you divide 60 by 5, you have 12 into, that is 12 bracket open, 4s plus 1 plus 1, because the term outside ought to multiply 4s plus 1. That is why I place it in bracket to enable 12 multiply through. Meanwhile, on the left hand side, if you add 20s plus 15s, you have 35s plus 54. If you open the bracket here, you have 48s plus 12. Then you collect like terms. You move 35 to go and meet 48. 35 is positive on the left hand side, it becomes negative here. Then 54 is left here, you move plus 12, it becomes minus 12. It becomes minus 12. Okay. The next is to subtract. If you subtract 54 and 12, you have 42. Subtract 48s and 35s, you have 13s. Divide both sides by 13. Divide both sides by 13. divide both sides by 13 in order to get s. So you have s equal to 42 over 13, and that is the lowest form, and it is in improper fractions form. You can convert it to mixed fraction, and you have 3 whole number, 3 all over 13, all over 13. Okay. Example 20. Example 20. You have 3 over 4t plus 1 over 3 bracket open 21 minus t bracket close equal to 1. You clear the fractions by multiplying each term by the LCM 12. So you multiply the first term by 12, second term by 12, the right hand side by 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3t. Divide 12 by 3, you have 4. That's the second term now. Times 1 is 4 into 21 minus t equal to 12. If you multiply and open the bracket and simplify, you have 9t plus 4 times 21, that is 84. Then plus 4 times minus t minus 4t equal to 12. You add like terms on the left hand side, precisely 9t minus 4t, that is 5t. Then we collect like terms, so you move plus 84 to join 12, it becomes minus 84. So 5t is equal to 12 minus 84. You are having 12 and you are owing 84. When you pay, you are still owing, so that is minus 72. Divide both sides by 5 in order to get t. So t is equal to minus 72 all over 5, and that is the lowest possible form, and it is improper fractions. When you convert to mixed fraction, you have minus 14 whole number 2 all over 5. So that is the result. Okay. End of lesson 3. Thanks for watching and learning with PetakusEducation community. Watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. For questions, inquiry, for updates, any challenge, you can contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or through this email address. Or for the complete package of this topic, algebraic process, lesson 1 to 15 for offline usage, you can also contact him at a very little token. You get the complete package delivered to you. Lastly, if you are not saved, you need to be saved. For you to be saved, you have to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Stay out of trouble. Take good care of yourself. Stay well. Do the needful at all times, and goodbye for now.